Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by establishing the base ellipse and central axis because they define perspective and tilt. Draw a smooth horizontal ellipse, make its major axis align with the view. Then drop a straight vertical axis from the ellipse center to set height. Once done, decide the eye level or vanishing point so the ellipse's compression matches the viewpoint. Make sure to keep light, confident strokes. These guides will control the cone's proportions and rotation as you build the volume. Next, establish the cone sides by connecting the top of the axis to opposite edges of the ellipse. These converging lines create the implicit apex. You should refine them into slightly curved planes if the cone is rounded. This preserves a natural taper. Once done, use the central axis to verify symmetry and adjust if one side looks off. Then draw a faint mid-contour curve across the cone to indicate surface direction and aid later shading for volume. Finish by establishing a light source and shading the cone accordingly. Apply a smooth gradient from highlight to core shadow to sell roundness. Place a narrow highlight along the light side and blend midtones across the surface. Make the darkest values opposite the light. Add a soft cast shadow beneath the base ellipse to ground the form. If things look wrong, troubleshoot by erasing guidelines, recentering the axis, and rechecking the ellipse tilt so perspective and lighting remain consistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.